everyone. So we got several queries, and especially from Mary Cole, who I know is waiting for this video, and it is how to frame diamond painting kits. But before anything else, because my husband is going to be demonstrating how to do that. I don't like to work with glue. I end up getting glue stuck on my fingers. This is a dolphin's diamond painting, and I had this available at the shop at one point. Norma has completed this painting. This is Norma. How long did it take you?
2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
She worked on it every night, up to past midnight, I think. But yeah, so this is what we're going to be framing, and this is actually going to be a gift for a friend of mine who I used to work with at CNN Philippines. We were co-anchors on the network, and her second baby is getting christened, and so this is going to be for the baby's room that I'm giving to her. So shout out to Pat Fernandez, and this is the painting. So we're going to have my husband show how that's going to be framed, but also for those who've been asking to see my baby, this is Lapis Lazuli. Zuli, say hi. Hi. So this is Zuli. She just woke up. It's about 9 a.m. in the Philippines, and she's a really, really good girl. She only cries when she's hungry or when her diapers need changing, but aside from that, she's not really fussy at all, and she's just easy to care for. Right, Norma?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to turn over the floor to my husband, Reggie, and he is going to, I think, crack some jokes and also demonstrate how to frame this piece. All right, see you guys later. Say bye, Subi.
Bye.
Hello everyone, I am Reggie, Rana's husband, slash father to Rocket and Zuli. And Rocket just woke up. Rocket, come here, come say hi real quick.
Hi.
So I'm here to frame this piece right here, and what I will need. Okay, go pee.
I need to pee down.
What I will need is canvas, and I'm going to use fabric glue. And my background is architecture, so I have a habit of measuring things. And so we have measuring tape. And I will need some scissors, because the canvas, although it says here, this piece, although it says 40 by 35, I don't know if you're like me, I immediately thought that the 40 by 35 is from this to this, but if you, from end to end basically, but if you actually take out your measuring tool, the canvas is actually the one that says 40. See, it's about 40 centimeters. Okay, Rocket. You need to give me space so I can sit down. Okay, so even if you get a canvas that's almost the same, yeah, you're more than likely to get surprised that it will be different. Okay, so let's go on and do our framing. Now, we have a dilemma here. The diamond painting is short this way, but it's too long vertically. So what we'll do in order to make it similar on all sides, we're gonna have to trim this diamond painting as if like this much. So we're gonna need to make it consistent all over. So if I trim here on top this way, I'm gonna want to trim the same amount at the bottom. So in actuality, we're gonna be taking off this much of the diamond painting, which is okay, because as you can see, the subject is actually the dolphins, so I think it's okay. Does that look good? That looks pretty good. So let's cut along there. So that looks pretty good, right? So now we're going to need to use the glue. We're just spreading across the back. We don't want a whole lot of glue. And this is how you frame your diamond painting.
Alright, so thank you to Reggie and his architecture background with regards to the slicing off or cutting off of the excess parts or the parts that need to be cut out, because I'm very bad at measurements and math. So here is the diamond painting on the frame, and once again, this is a regular canvas that you can purchase at any craft store. This actually cost 157 pesos. This was the 40 by 30 cm. I don't know if you get those measurements. Oh, I don't know if you get those measurements in the States or in the country where you're at, but in the Philippines, we do have them in cms. So the next one above that is a 50 by 40 cm, and then there's the 60 by 50, and then there are others that go at 60 by 40, which is kind of cool because a lot of these diamond paintings go in those sizes. So I don't know if it's because we're in Asia, that's why it's in the same measurement, but this is a 40 by 30 canvas, and it cost 157 pesos, which is about $3. So for $3 and some fabric glue, right, you get to frame your diamond painting of this size, and you don't need a glass to cover it. You don't need like a heavy board material on it. It's very light, very easy to transport, and once again, it's easy to just put on the wall and hang up since it's got this area already. So you can just have like a nail where it hangs. So there you go. I hope this helps, and once again, we'll be framing more finished diamond paintings in the near future. So thank you for helping. We have just put a ribbon around the painting. That way everyone can see what it is, because why cover a diamond painting when it looks this pretty just put a ribbon around it, and then it's ready to be given as a gift. So thanks again for watching, and thanks to my husband for putting together the frame. And until next time, please comment below if you have questions. We'll try to tackle it in the next video. And also, please do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye.